Hello, welcome back to ThinkBig Digital. Today we are going to learn about how to delete a Facebook business account. For that, open up your Facebook account from Microsoft Edge or Chrome browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge to open a new tab and write Meta Business Manager. Click on the first website that you find. Click on Meta Business Manager. Then after coming into this Meta website here, you will find this user icon here. Tap on that and tap on login with Facebook. Put your email and your password that you have used earlier. Now tap on login. Now scroll down and tap on get started. Now after coming into Meta Business Suite, click on this profile icon here and go to the business account that you created earlier. Now click on this user's arrow here and scroll down until you find business account info. Now you will find all of your business information here, and at the top right side you will find permanently delete business account. Tap on that. Once you delete your business manager, this action can be reversed. To help us improve, please tell us why you want to delete your business manager account. Now, if your experience with Meta is bad, you can always tell them what is the problem and put a suggestion for them here, the text bar of how can we improve business manager. Now, if you don't want to keep your business account, you can just skip this whole step here and tap on skip. Now they will warn you that if you once schedule your business account for deletion, you can't get it back. And once you have scheduled for deletion, all pages, accounts, and tools added to this business will return to their original owner or be deleted in 24 hours. Then tap on next. Then you have to put the password of your main account here. Then tap on submit. Now my business has been scheduled for deletion and it will be permanently deleted in 24 hours. But if I change my mind or if I have any need with my business manager account, I can go to my business manager account and choose don't delete business. Click on done. Now I have officially scheduled for deletion of my business account.